Twilet 40 sena ilu il-Kanada. Ta' 3 snin kien diġà jdoq il-pjanu u ta' 4 snin ħasem fl-ewwel kunċert ta' ħajtu. Meta forma parti mill-grupp mużikali Soul Decision bih mal-1,000,000 kopja tal-ewwel album. Riċentement ħadem mal-aqwa DJs fid-dinja fosthom ma' Marcus Schulz bid-diska Until It's Gone u ma' Armin Van Buren bid-diska This Is What It Feels Like.
And I don't even know how I survive. I won't make it to the show without your light. No, I don't even know if I'm alive. Oh.
B'mod esklussiv il-kantant Trevor Guthrie kien il-mistieden speċjali fil-programm TFI Friday fuq One Radio. Il-preżentaturi Paul Roberts u Trudy Kerr kellhom konverzazzjoni dwar il-karriera ta' Guthrie u bejn ċajta oħra skoprew talenti kbar li għandu. One News taqsa dwar l-ewwel impressjoni tiegħu ta' Malta meta kien ilu biss sija f'pajjiżna.
I'm just flying in, seeing like how small it is and all the houses and the history. You can see it right there as you're flying in. It was so amazing. I've been taking pictures all the way here from the car, just like stop, let me take a picture, let me take a picture. It's gorgeous. I love it here.
Tkellem magħna dwar l-isforzi kbar li kellu jagħmel sabiex irnexxielu jikkolabora mal-ikbar ismijiet.
It's not easy. I mean, I had a hit back in 1999, 2001, and then nothing until now. I've always been writing, I've always had songs, it takes the right song.
Id-diska This Is What It Feels Like li rnexxielna nikkonvinċuh ikantalna silta minna għandha sinifikat speċjali.
I wrote, This Is What It Feels Like about a friend of mine who had a brain tumor, had cancer, and they gave him 17 weeks to live. Luckily, he's still alive. He's been going for 2 years, but this is the song that came out, and a friend of mine sent it to Armin, and he produced it, and it's been big for us ever since. So.
Trevor Guthrie mhux se jkun l-unika mistieden speċjali ta' TFI Friday fuq One Radio. Il-kap tal-istazzjon Clint Bajada stqar ma' One News li jissemmija mistennija jkollhom festa ta' personalitajiet distinti li għalissa se jibqgħu sorpriża. Ma nistgħux ma nagħlqux bit-talent ta' Trevor Guthrie.
Nobody here knocking at my door. The sound of silence I can't take anymore. Nobody ringing my telephone now. Oh, how I miss such a beautiful sound. And I don't